Welcome, dear student. Stay home and obey the rules for coronavirus. Use masks and study English at your home. I am Mohammad Mizan Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Gopalpur, Marirampur, Joshua. Class 8 English for today, Unit 5, lesson on topics the beginning. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is sunrise, beginning of the day. This is the beginning of the tree. This is plant day by day increase, and one day it will be a large tree. Yes, here it is success. If you want to gain or reach for success, you must work hard. This is the beginning and this is the success. You must cross this step. At a time you reach success. Okay, the beginning. This is also the beginning of the day. Today we are going to learn about the beginning, Unit 5, Lesson 1, page number 45. After the end of the lesson, the students will be able to read the text and tick the best answer, read the text and match the phrase with the meaning. Read the text and answer the questions. Now we learn some vocabulary. Typical. What do you mean? Typical. Yes. Meaning usual, simple. Sentence: Bahadurpur is a typical village. Bahadurpur is a typical village. Typical village. Here. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Extraordinary women. Extraordinary meaning unusual. Shamima Akhtar is an extraordinary woman. Willpower in Bangla, Ichha Shakti. Willpower. It is possible for only willpower. Meaning confidence. Meaning in English, confidence. Next sentence. Shamima has come out as a winner for her willpower. Determination. Yes, it is only purpose of determination. দৃঢ় সংকল্প আমি কাজটি করেই ছাড়বো, আমি কাজটি শেষ করবই। মিনিং কনফিডেন্স। Everything is possible if you are determined. Aspect. It is one kind of aspect, meaning appearance. It is our aspect to make our learning digital. It is our aspect to make our learning digital. Spirit, meaning soul, atta. Nothing could defeat her spirit. Now here is a map, meaning Khulna, Zineda, Dhaka. Actually today we are going to learn about Zineda. Here Dhaka, Zineda, here is a Zineda, Joshua, Zineda, there is the Shamima, yes, this is a village. There is a small village called Bhawanipur. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 30 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Konok. She runs a small boutique called Oikko Nari Kalyan Samstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Now try to answer these questions. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village. Try to answer it. Next I help you. Yes. UGR. You match your answer. UGR. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here, unread word means underlined word means extraordinary. Try to answer it. Match your answer. Amazing. Amazing. Next question. People of determination success in the long run. Here underline what means. Try to answer at first you. Now match your answer. Yes. Okay. Again. Match your answer. Shamima has faced the most dark aspect of life. Here the underline what means. Try to answer. Now match your answer. Position. Next question. The tragedy in Shamima's life could not defeat her speed. Her speed means. Match your answer. Strength. Now read the text again. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhaneda. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly walking in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defeating by all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kanok. She runs a small boutique called Oik Kunari Kalyan Samstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Now match phrase with the meaning. At first you try, next I shall help you. Now, you match your answer mean day-to-day life, everyday life, household work, domestic chores, rural aspect of life, difficulties of life, come out as a winner, become a victorious. All the odds of life, unkind happening in life. Typical Bangladeshi village having all the regular features of a Bangladesh village. You write quick. Now read the text again. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Janeda. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Karmaya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kano. She runs a small boutique called Oipkunari Kallam Samstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeds in setting up her boutique. Now answer the following questions. Next time, help you. What type of village does Shamima live in? What do the people of Bhawanipur village usually do? What has Shamima done to make herself extraordinary? Now, match your answer with me. What type of village does Shamima live in? Shema lives in a small, ordinary and typical in Bangladesh village. What do the people of Bhawanipur village usually do? Answer: the people of Bhawanipur village usually work in the field and do household work. What has Shamima done to make herself extraordinary? Yes, Shamima has used her willpower and determination to overcome all the odds of life and come out as a winner, which has made her extraordinary. Now, evaluation. What is the village name? The village name is Bhawanipur. What does she run? She runs boutique, Oipkunari Kallam Samstha. What is Shamima's son's name? Shamima's son's name is Ashikur Rahman Kano. Homework. Write a paragraph about Shamima from your imagination. In your paragraph, write what Shamima should do for the good of our own family as well as the other families in the village. Dear student, after finishing this class, you will watch the video in below addresses. www.youtube.com, www.teachers.gov.bd, Connect Kishore Batar Khulna Online School, যশোর অনলাইন স্কুল, ভার্চুয়াল অনলাইন স্কুল, মাধ্যমিক স্তরে অনলাইন শিক্ষা মনিরামপুর, ফেসবুক গোপালপুর স্কুল অ্যান্ড কলেজ, ফেসবুক মিজানুর রহমান। Okay, dear student, wait for my next video class and regular study at home in English, and write comments box any problem, and see you later. Bye bye.